integrate the following function, that is exercise 7.3, right? Question number 1, page 304, twice x upon 1 plus x square. This is given. So we assume that as usual I is equal to integration twice x upon 1 plus x square dx. हम डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में एडजस्ट भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, सिंप्लीफाई भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो क्या कर सकते हैं, चेक करो, इज दिस द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस, इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस, डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में है क्या, इसका डेरिवेटिव 0, x स्क्वायर का ट्वाइस x है, तो कौन सी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, f डैश x अपॉन fx इंटीग्रेशन dx इज इक्वल टू log मॉड्यूलस ऑफ f ऑफ x प्लस c, ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग, राइट? सो directly what is the answer? No need to write anything, so answer will be log of mod 1 plus x square d plus c, right? So this is your answer. Got it? Either this is a new thing for you, so assume this as a t, the derivative of this is twice x. You can also, right, if you want to do, then you can apply this method also, right? Let 1 plus x square is equal to t, so derivative of this is twice x dx is equal to dt, but this is given simple twice x dx is equal to dt. So what is your I is integration dx twice x dx is dt upon 1 plus x square is totally t, and derivative of 1 upon t, integration of 1 upon t is log mod t, that you know. Either derivative of the denominator is in numerator because this is 1, so answer will be log mod t plus c. So this is log, and what is t is 1 plus x square plus c. So again answer will be same, right? So you can adopt any method. So if you know this concept, then by observing you can write the answer. Similarly this is, right? So I is equal to given integration log x whole square upon x dx. इसमें तो आप देख सकते हैं कुछ नया है, क्या है, आपको x स्क्वायर चाहिए, x की जगह पर क्या है, log, और इंटीग्रेशन में इसे कुछ भी पता नहीं चले, कुछ भी नहीं आपको ख्याल आता है क्या करना है, एट दैट टाइम क्या करना है, देखना है, log x है, log के लिए एज्यूम कर लो, राइट? इनवर्स है, इनवर्स के लिए ले लो, रूट है, अंडर रूट जो है उसके लिए स्क्वायर एज्यूम कर लो, राइट? सो ये जो टेक्निक है ये आप अप्लाई करेंगे तो एग्जाम बहुत ही इजीली आएगा, राइट? सो हियर इज log x, so assume for log x, if there is a root then assume for root, under root, whatever it, suppose root x, then x is equal to t square, assume, right? If inverse function is there, then assume for inverse function, you may get your answer very easily, right? So ये आपको नोट डाउन करके रखना है. So what we assume, let log x is equal to t, so we assume log x is equal to t, derivative of log x, right? So log x is 1 upon x dx is equal to dt, so this 1 upon x dx is dt. So what is I is equal to integration log x is t, so this is t square, and 1 upon x dx is dt. Now applying x raised to n formula, that is this formula, integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c formula. So answer will be t cube by 3 plus c, and what is t? T is log x, so answer will be 1 upon 3 log x whole cube plus c. This is your answer, right? और एक बात दिखाता हूं, देखो क्या दिया है, log x whole square दिया है. Can I write this? और मैंने बताया आपको there is a lots of method, right? You have to adopt any one of them, right? There is n methods you have to apply, any method of n, right? So और सर आप तो हर एग्जांपल में और देंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, वही तो है इंटीग्रेशन, राइट? आपको सब इकट्ठा करना, इंटीग्रेशन मींस टू कलेक्ट, राइट? इंटीग्रेट, ओके? सो I will be integration log x whole square into 1 upon x dx. Can I write like this? Simple. I am writing 1 upon x as separate 1 upon x. Now remember one formula. I have no space to write. Okay, I am writing here, and then answer of this is this. Okay, so formula is integration f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx. Then answer will be f of x raised to n into f dash x dx. Then answer will be f of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c is the answer. Means फंक्शन इसका डेरिवेटिव साथ में मल्टीप्लाई में हो तो फंक्शन रेस टू एक पावर बढ़ा देना है, ए फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर देना है, फंक्शन रेस टू n plus 1 upon n plus 1, तो log x डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x, so this is fx, this is f dash x, one power more, आंसर log x raised to 3 divide by 3 आ गया, so this is your answer, got it? So MCQ में आप देखते ही आंसर लिख सकते हो, fx into 1 upon x is f dash x, fx into f dash x, then 1 power fx का बढ़ा देना है, increase 1 power of the fx, you will get your answer, got it? Now this, can you apply this formula here? Either this formula, which one? This, which one is applicable here in this example? Think, I am writing here I is equal to integration 1 upon x plus x log x. Not a single formula applicable, not this or not this, okay? Yeah, that's good, fine. Now see here, what I said, simplify कीजिए, log x तो है मगर साथ में x भी है, तो क्या करेंगे? ठीक है, x कॉमन, so x कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो this is 1 upon x into 1 plus log x dx log नया है, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So can I write this integration 1 upon x this upon 1 plus log x dx. Got the idea? So now derivative of 1 plus log x, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of log x 1 upon x, is derivative of the denominator is in numerator? Yes, इसका derivative ऊपर है, then answer is log of this, so answer will be log of mod 1 plus log x plus c, log of this fx, that is fx is this 1 plus log x, right? Now never apply this log 1 plus log of log x, that is not possible, got it? So this is your answer, right? मैंने ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ लिखी थी इसलिए मैंने आपको बताया, इसलिए लिखी नहीं है, आपको लिखना है, right? Now this example, so I is equal to integration sin x into sin of cos x dx, sin of cos x dx, right? कुछ नया है, sin x है क्या? नहीं है, तो क्या है? cos x. So what we have to assume cos x is equal to t. So we assume that let cos x is equal to t. So derivative of cos x is minus sin x, right? So this implies sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Can I write like this? Minus sign I am putting here, right? इसका डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin x रहता है, वो माइनस मैंने सामने लिख दिया, okay? So now this sin x dx, this is your dt, that is minus dt, and this is sin t. So I will be integration sin, this is t, and dx is minus dt. So this is minus integration sin t dt, minus integration sin t dt, and the integration of sin t is minus cos t. Yes, remember this thing. So answer will be minus into minus cos t plus c, and minus minus plus cos, and what is t? T is cos x. So answer is cos x plus c, right? So these all are very easy examples. Do it, practice it. Okay. Question number 5, page 304. Given function is sin ax plus b, cos ax plus b, and we have to integrate with respect to x. Right. So first of all, I am writing I is equal to integration sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b dx. sin x है क्या? नहीं है, तो हम इसके लिए एज्यूम कर सकते हैं sin totally, because derivative sin is cos here. Either you can assume only for ax plus b, right? Whatever you want, you have to assume. So we are assume for sin ax plus b. So let sin ax plus b is equal to t. So derivative of this cos ax plus b, and derivative of cos is bracket is 1 upon a dx is equal to dt. But we have only cos ax plus b, no a, so we take a to here. What we get? Cos ax plus b, we have to multiply here. So a cos ax plus b dx is equal to 1 upon a dt. So this is, now this is your 1 upon a dt, and this is t. So what is I? So I is equal to 1 upon a, I am writing first instead of this b 1 upon a dt, and this is sin t, sin ax plus b is again t. So this is t and dt. Now integration of t is t square by 2. So this is 1 upon a t square by 2 and plus c, right? So answer will be 1 upon twice a, 1 upon twice a. T, what is t? Sin ax plus b. So this is sin square ax plus b. So sin square ax plus b and plus c is your answer. But this is not an answer given in your book, right? So given answer is 1 upon twice a. Now given answer is in cos. Now we have one formula, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. You have formula sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. This is the formula. So apply this formula. What is the answer? 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is my theta. This is my theta. So multiply by 2. What do we get here? Twice ax plus twice b divided by 2 and plus c as it is. Got it? So this is 1 upon 4a. So this is 1 upon 4a and multiply with 1, that is 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 4a, 2 into 2 4a, bifurcating this and this, right? So cos twice ax plus twice b and plus c, right? Now remember one thing, जो अभी तक जितने एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किए इसमें किसमें भी ऐसा आंसर आया क्या कि x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 प्लस c, ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया. देयर इज नो कांस्टेंट, ओनली वन आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट. चेक इट. आपकी नोटबुक में जो आपने सॉल्व किया ना सब चेक कर लीजिए आंसर. किसी में भी प्लस 3 प्लस 5 माइनस 5 व्हाटएवर कांस्टेंट, नथिंग, कोई भी कांस्टेंट नहीं आया है आपके पास. तो क्या करें? तो ये कांस्टेंट जो है उसको इसमें मिला देना है और इसके लिए एक नया कांस्टेंट लिखना है. तो मैं इसको यहां से सीरियस कर देता हूं, राइट? सो दिस इज सीरियस, दिस इज सीरियस right? So this is minus 1 upon 4a cos twice ax plus twice b plus c, where जहां पे क्या लेंगे हम c इज इक्वल टू c डैश माइनस 1 अपॉन 4a, राइट? तो इंटीग्रेशन में ये बात आपको ख्याल रखनी है कि आप कैसे करेंगे, जो मेथड एडॉप्ट करेंगे वही हिसाब से आपका आंसर आएगा, राइट? एंड if that answer was not given, then you have to simplify using all your possibilities, right? So मैंने ये मेरी possibility यूज करके ये आंसर लिया, तो मेरा आंसर ये आ गया। यदि suppose we assume for ax plus b is equal to t, then what happen? Let us see here. Suppose बाद में वो वहाँ साइड पे कर लेंगे वो, right? So if we did let ax plus b is equal to t, because ये नया था, x चाहिए था, नहीं था, तो a assume करते क्या होता? तो derivative of this is a, derivative of x is 1, so a dx is equal to dt, that is dx is equal to 1 upon a dt होता, means I is equal to integration sin t into cos t into 1 upon a dt होता। Now 1 upon a is constant, so 1 upon a, right? This is again sin t into cos t, two functions are there and that are not integrating। आप इसका इंटीग्रेशन नहीं कर सकते अभी तक नहीं कर सकते, बाद में कर सकेंगे, राइट? सो व्हाट टू डू? There is a problem, big problem. So divide and multiply by 2, right? So we divide and multiply by 2, that is 1 upon 2. This is 2 sin t cos t dt. Now this is your standard formula, this is sin 2t. So this is 1 upon twice a, right? Integration sin 2t dt. Now integration of sin is minus cos, so this is 1 upon twice a minus cos 2t, right? And you know in integration you have to divide by coefficient of x, that is variable, right? If function is linear, so this is linear twice t, so you have to divide by 2, so divide by 2 and plus c, so this is minus 1 upon 4a, right? Cos 2t, t is this, multiply by 2, that is twice ax plus twice b and plus c. So now compare, both answers are same, right? So मैंने बोला है आपको MCQ में आपको ये सब ख्याल रखना है, right? Keep in mind in MCQ, if your answer is not tally with given 4 options and there is a one option none of this, then never go for none of this. You will get this answer and there is a this answer in option, right? So never go for none of this. Check your all possibilities of simplification or convert the answer in required options, right? Otherwise you will going to lose your marks, right? अभी आप नहीं करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं सोचेंगे तो आपका मार्क्स कट हो जाएगा। इसलिए मैं जितनी पॉसिबिलिटी है वो डिस्कस करता हूँ, इट टेक अ टाइम, राइट? बट मैं आपसे सब पॉसिबिलिटी जो है वो डिस्कस करता हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग से काम करना है, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है। तो ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आप लोग तो आपको पता चलेगा क्या करना है बाद में, राइट? सो दिस इज द वे टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस। Either you can multiply divide by 2 from here also, instead of assuming this you will get answer. From here you can integrate also, but you will get here same answer as we get here. So I am not showing this. This is sin fx, this is derivative of sin x. So fx into f plus x formula, fx into f plus x, then fx is to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, so sin square t. Again you will get this answer sin square t here, right? So again you have to convert this, right? बट टेक्स्ट बुक में ये मेथड से करके आंसर ये ले आए हैं, तो ये लाना था। तो मैं ये मेथड से गया शॉर्टकट से, तो मेरा आंसर ये आ गया, क्योंकि मुझे जो पता चला वो मैं करूंगा, मैं रट्टा मारने वाला नहीं हूं, मेमोराइज करके सब नहीं जाऊंगा, कितना मेमोराइज करूंगा, प्रैक्टिकली है वो ही आपको सॉल्व करना है, तो प्रैक्टिकली सॉल्व करना है तो आपको ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन, okay, I am using this space here, so I am writing here. So this is I is equal to integration root ax plus b dx. What we want? In root only x, instead of x what is given? ax plus b. So you have to assume, आप क्या assume कर सकते हैं, जो भी कुछ स्क्वायर रूट में है, anything in square root, assume square, that is ax plus b is equal to t square. So we assume that let ax plus b is equal to t square. ax plus b is equal to t square. क्यूब रूट में है, क्या करना है, t क्यूब एज्यूम करना है, फोर्थ रूट है तो रेज़ टू 4 एज्यूम करना है, जो भी एज्यूम करो t, always we are assuming t, so I am saying that t, right? You can assume anything whatever you like. Now differentiating this, what we get? ax plus b differentiation, a derivative of x is 1, so dx is equal to, this is twice t dt, but there is no a, so dx is equal to what we get? So dx is equal to twice t upon a into dt. So I will be integration root ax plus b is t square, so this is root t square into twice t upon a, so this is twice t upon a into dt. So a 2 by a is constant, so this is 2 by a integration root t square is t and this is t, so again t square, this is t dt, so we will get 2 by a integration t square dt, and applying x raised to n formula, answer will be, this is 2 by a and this is t cubed by 3 plus c. So this is 2 upon 3a. Now what is t? T is under root ax plus b. From this, t is under root ax plus b, and under root ax plus b means power half. Either you can write like this also, ax plus b raised to half, right? So half, and this is power 3, that is power is 3 by 2. So this is ax plus b raised to half, and this is power 3 plus c. So finally you will get power 3 by 2. So this is 2 upon 3a ax plus b raised to 3 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Got it? तो आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, सब कुछ आता है. It's very easy. Integration is very easy, right? Only you have to apply formula, and that proper formula only. Got it?